Ebusia for me, I show them videos be a bit more kedo. Sarkodie in the UK 5,000 wanyashi.
Sarkodie that we know now, no. I feel say right now, no. Man, I'm happy say wait to me I feel. But I'm going to be excited only when he feels the O2.
Yeah, but we're broke.
Because we're broke 5,000 capacity. No. Sarkodie could do like way better.
Eraba saying me ya, Jamayan she.
When you serious, when you serious.
Ogwa ujina way. Sabi when you read them pa na wasim kwa fumbashe free pa wamba. But one cut Sarkodie you pa 5,000. Do.
Me, I'm not going to be clapping for him for feeling 5,000 capacity. No.
When you serious, when you serious.
Dama, I am Kwabruchi. I na kwashe more record. But anyway, people, welcome to the Parko Rich Studios. Now, this particular year, Sarkodie abon homozan na onipa yaza woman mbo. You give am tap on the shoulder. Sarkodie akwa fele an auditorium. Our friend Royal Albert Hall, UK, over 5,000 capacity. I say, in kakran kokodinu musu. Say, yeah, brother, we tum wakashe oye UK na we pull up them na. I say, oh, they man respect, be brave. I've seen a lot of people on TV. I mean, them besi ambabi na wan. They want Sarkodie to. When you that's America, Sarkodie on respond. On your time. Atasa. About trend the keke, but on your time. But anyway, let's go into issues. So, Okobende, Dame Royal Albert Hall, Ghana ni biara feel that. Na Sarkodie akaya Ghana using kana wa auditorium wa wetum wa selling out. Na this is something a gate opener for a lot of young artists. But Sarkodie you'll be a fidel obeno onjena homeda. You know, there are certain artists where they go calm the system inside before you go no relax kakra. But Sarkodie has been consistent over the years. Into way to the man na at least or the image kakra zabra Ghana, we need to support him. And big ups to artists that was supporting Wohoina, Mihu Kidi, Mihu Kweku Flake. Musicians and I can promise a lot went there to support our brother. And I think this is a thing we need to keep doing. You start and kakranka. You understand? But anyway, agreement few Nigerian brothers came to support. Obiti the flavor on your Sarkodie wo good rapport or babe support. Adesope or your media personality be of Nigeria or no be introduce or your Sarkodie on stage. It was a beautiful experience. But then at the crowd, what be in Komo biara can you Sarkodie make an announcement to be. One man question the announcement and you really are young commodo.
Wouldn't BB? Today I was looking at the crowd here and how fast we sold this ticket. I want to show you guys something. I'm coming. Hold on. Don't go, please. Don't go.
All right, so say baby Sarkodie na na sabi onye Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Dabi. Oye O2. Waka O2 na inye indigo no onye mo wadigu no eye O2 arena na capacity near 20,000 zawire calabash no kedo botuma rekota wonji na chinje. That's basically what I want to say. Sarkodie has been able to done 5,000 capacity. Now he wants to challenge himself. Now uncle 20,000 wo UK ubina manado. You understand? And this is something we need to encourage him and we need to support him to achieve it. Because Sarkodie win the Damazia, another to me Damazia, Onya Manankotene, it's a win for Ghana, and this will open a lot of doors. Because trust me, so Sarkodie corner se win to manya. Ochino bi obi ko to arena de opedo ye bibi or bakacho no. You come and waste our space and our time. Inti enkratu yon koma be ifuna what TV da wa kede na 5,000 on your hwe na wa bro no do ma me ebi mpa na we ya sinyimpa wo baba wondu 11 ebi a we ufunu rampo nyimpa wo baba no wondu 11 Inti obere yaza mon kunu sunsum. Ai. Sabi abrantian. Wan kada obodo also oboton yom na oza ye. And he has made progress. What we can do as Ghanaians is to support him. In Jaidama pay samna mo ye with TV do. All be fucking things. You understand? Inti congrats to Sarkodie. We are waiting. And you don't O2 arena time and doing a chede. Ya ko moving pick mo what the visa or the abo yeah passport TV there. Paco PKB Mumbra UK na Mumbo witness Sarkodie selling the O2 live. Na mesawan da mo kofuna was Sarkodie onye hwe for filling 5,000 capacity. Obia akoda okaji UK visa mo on fan man. I moving pick for when we vibe, man, you the way I want. One country on there, you have a feeling that when they go to UK, they won't come back. The month of was a Sarkodie 5,000 capacity on your train. What could you can pay one sam bagana? I rest my case. Congrats over there. I na ejumani na why no.
The matter chop hot.
Asemene diloto. Hey!
Aye. Hey.